Hello everyone, I am Pratibha Patel, Assistant Professor in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. We have already discussed about carbonic anhydrase inhibitors and thiazide diuretics. Let's start loop diuretics. So loop diuretics produce weak diuresis as compared to other diuretics. That's why it's called high ceiling diuretic and it acts on the thick ascending loop of Henle. That's why it's called loop diuretics. There are two prototypes drugs, furosemide and ethacrynic acids. Mechanism of action of loop diuretic. In this structure, you can see this portion is blood, this is thick ascending lymph cells, and this one is lumen. Okay, so loop diuretics inhibit sodium potassium chloride cotransporter in the thick ascending lymph cells. This transporter normally reabsorbs 25% of sodium load. Therefore, inhibition of this pump can lead a significant increase in the distal tubular concentration of sodium, reduce hypertonicity of surrounding intestine and less water reabsorption in the collecting duct. This altered handling of sodium and water lead to both diuresis, it means loss of water, and natriuresis means loss of sodium. ओके ये देखिए इस डायग्राम में ये पोर्शन है आपका ब्लड, ये थिक असेंडिंग लिम्फ सेल्स है एंड ये ल्यूमेन पार्ट है. यहाँ आप देखेंगे एक सोडियम पोटेशियम क्लोराइड को ट्रांसपोर्टर प्रेजेंट होता है जिसके थ्रू 25% सोडियम का रीएब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाता है. अगर इस चैनल को ब्लॉक कर दिया जाए तो क्या होगा, सोडियम का रीएब्जॉर्प्शन इनहिबिट हो जाएगा. सोडियम का रीएब्जॉर्प्शन इनहिबिट होगा इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो यूरिन के साथ एक्सक्रीट हो जाएगा. ओके मतलब कि यूरिन में सोडियम का एक्सक्रीशन बढ़ जाएगा. ओके एडवर्स इफेक्ट of loop diuretics: hypokalemia, hypocalcemia, hypomagnesia, metabolic alkalosis, also increase blood glucose and uric acid level, and one more adverse effect is ototoxicity. Loop diuretics are divided into two types: sulfonamide derivatives and non-sulfonamide derivatives. So first one is sulfonamide derivatives, furosemide and bumetanide. Furosemide is a 5-sulfonyl benzoic acid derivative. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th पोजीशन पर सल्फोमाइल ग्रुप अटैच है. दैट्स वाई 5-sulfonyl benzoic acid डेरिवेटिव. ओके और इसे हम 5-sulfonyl एंथ्रालिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव भी बोल सकते हैं. एंथ्रालिक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है, बेंजीन NH2 and COO acid. So 5-sulfonyl anthranylic acid derivative. Okay. In case of bumetanide, in third position, sulfonamyl group is attached. Okay. This one is SAR of sulfonamide derivatives. So first point is the substituent at the first position must be acidic. So you can see at first position COOH means carboxyl group. So the carboxyl group is a acidic nature. Okay, so carboxylic group provide optimal diuretic activity. A sulfonyl group at the position 5 is essential for optimal diuretic activity. For example, in furosemide, this one फिफ्थ पोजीशन पर सल्फोमाइल ग्रुप है जो ऑप्टिमल एक्टिविटी के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. Activating group at fourth position in furosemide, this one, and in bumetanide, this one. So activating group like chlorine and trifluoromethyl in case of furosemide, but in case of bumetanide, these activating group are replaced by phenoxy group and give better activity. It means जो आपका bumetanide है वो furosemide से more potent है, 50 times more potent as compared to furosemide. The substitution position on the 2-amino group in 5-sulfamyl 2-amino benzoic acid derivative is limited in order to furfuryl, benzyl and thionyl methyl only in case of furosemide. Okay, and in case of bumetanide, the 5-amino group can be widely substituted without much change in the activity. 5-amino, ये वाला 5-amino group can be widely substituted without changing activity. When the butyl group on the C5-amine is replaced with phenyl methyl group such as furosemide, however, the results are not favorable. यदि इन ब्यूमेटानाइड के फिफ्थ पोजीशन पर जो अमीनो ग्रुप है इसके साथ ये वाला ग्रुप अटैच कर दिया जाए तो जो एक्टिविटी होगी वो फेवरेबल नहीं होगी. नेक्स्ट वन, नॉन सल्फोनामाइड लूप डायरेटिक्स. Drug is ethacrynic acid. Ethacrynic acid is a phenoxyacetic acid derivative. So this one is phenoxyacetic acid. Phenoxyacetic acid. Okay. Now SAR activating group chlorine or methyl group occupy either the third position or second and third position. Second and third position पर आपके क्लोरीन या मिथाइल ग्रुप का सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा. Optimal activity was obtained when an oxyacetic acid group was positioned para to alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. This is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. इससे पैरा पोजीशन पर जो आपका ऑक्सी एसिटिक एसिड ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होगा तो एक्टिविटी ऑप्टिमम होगी. हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑन द टर्मिनल एल्कीन, दिस वन. So hydrogen atom on the terminal alkene carbon also provide maximum reactivity. Now uses of loop diuretics in cardiac failure, hepatic disease, nephrotic syndrome, acute pulmonary edema, acute chronic renal failure and barbiturate poisoning, salicylate poisoning. Non-diuretic action of loop diuretics used in antihypertensive, calcium urolithiasis in hypocalcemia, diabetes insipidus. ओके, ये था आपका लूप डायरेटिक. थैंक यू.